Ever thought about making cash from porta potties? Here's why you should. From concerts to construction sites, everyone needs a clean, portable restroom. And the demand? It's huge. Imagine earning big while keeping things fresh and tidy. Starting a porta potty rental business is easier than you think. Step 1, get your initial investment together. Step 2, buy quality porta potties. Step 3, market your service to events and job sites. Need clients? No problem. Reach out to local event planners and construction managers. Show them why your service is a game changer. As your business grows, so will your earnings. Think about it. Low maintenance, high demand, and steady cash flow. And the best part? You're providing an essential service that people actually need. Ready to get started? Visit goldmaker.com and dive into the porta potty rental business today. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Why do thousands of people earn $5,000 a month from home? It's simple. They're virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, or VA, helps businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. And guess what? You don't need any prior experience to start. Step 1. Pick your niche. Whether it's finance, entertainment, or admin, choose what excites you. Step 2. Get basic training. Goldmaker offers easy-to-follow courses that get you job-ready fast. Step 3. Start applying for gigs. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find your first clients. From finance to entertainment, VAs can earn up to $5,000 a month. Ready to start your journey? Visit goldmaker.com to learn more and subscribe for more tips. Make money, work from home, and live your dream life.
Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Discover how to make money from home with fashion. Let's dive in. First, let's talk startup costs. You'll need a sewing machine, fabric, and some basic tools. Expect to spend around $500 to $1,000. Don't worry, it's an investment in your future. Next up, earning potential. With the right strategy, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Imagine turning your creativity into cash. Where to sell? Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Instagram are your best friends. Showcase your designs and watch the orders roll in. But wait, there's more. From finance to entertainment, we break down the strategies and earnings on goldmaker.com. Visit today and get started on your fashion journey. Subscribe for more tips. Turn your home into a money-making fashion hub. You've got this.
Am I the only one that didn't know you can make cash auditing police social media? Mind-blowing, right? Did you know law enforcement agencies are hopping on social media? And they need experts like you to audit their content. That's right. You can make money by checking their posts for compliance and transparency. Spot misinformation, procedural errors, and PR blunders. Think finance or entertainment is your only gig? Think again. Police departments are the new frontier. Head to goldmaker.com to dive into this unique opportunity. Want more money-making tips? Hit that subscribe button.
Stop dreaming and start doing. A handyman business can be your goldmine. Here's why a handyman business is a goldmine. Low startup costs, high demand, unlimited growth potential. Fixing things around the house might seem simple, but it pays big. Imagine earning hundreds per day just by solving everyday problems. From plumbing to painting, every job counts. And guess what? You're the boss. Set your hours, take on projects you love, and watch your income soar. Need more tips? We've got you covered. Visit goldmaker.com to get started today. Subscribe for more tips. Remember, success favors the bold. So roll up those sleeves and let's turn those handy skills into a gold mine.
If you're an entrepreneur looking for a fun hustle, you need to hear this. How to make $10K a month promoting nightclubs. Club promoters get paid for every guest they bring in. That's guest lists, table bookings, and VIP sales. Start by networking with club managers. Create an event that'll get people talking. Then, use social media to bring in guests. From finance to entertainment, we break down the strategies and earnings. Visit goldmaker.com to get started today. Subscribe for more tips and turn your passion into profit. Let's get this party started.
I'm sure you've heard the news. You can make serious money with youth sports teams. Did you know you can buy and sell youth sports teams for big bucks? Here's the game plan. Buy an underperforming team, boost its sponsorships and branding, then sell it for a huge profit. Many teams are undervalued. With better management, they become profitable assets. This is the perfect side hustle for sports lovers and business-minded investors. Start small, scale up, cash out big. Want more tips? From finance to entertainment, we break down the strategies and earnings. Visit goldmaker.com to get started today. Subscribe for more tips. Am I the only one that didn't know you can make over $10,000 a month cleaning airplanes? Why isn't everyone talking about this? Aviation detailing is a hidden gem in the business world. Private jet owners, airlines, and flight schools pay top dollar for expert cleaning. And guess what? With just $5,000, you can start your own aviation detailing business today. Let's break it down. Your initial investment covers top-notch equipment and training. Then, you can charge premium rates for meticulous detailing services. Imagine earning thousands per month from just a few clients. Landing your first clients? It's easier than you think. Start by networking with local airports and flight schools. Offer free demos to showcase your skills and build trust. Once you're in, word of mouth will do the rest. From finance to entertainment, we've got the strategies to help you succeed. Visit goldmaker.com to get started on your path to financial freedom today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your dream business. What I wish I knew at 20, you can earn big bucks teaching self-defense. Let's dive in. If you've got martial arts or security training, you're sitting on a gold mine. Imagine offering group classes, private lessons, online courses, and even corporate workshops. The startup costs? Super low. The demand? Sky high. Picture this: your own schedule, your own business, and a booming income. Self-defense classes are a win-win. You help others stay safe while you build a thriving business. Ready to jump in? From finance to entertainment, we'll break down the strategies and earnings you need. Visit goldmaker.com to get started today. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning your passion into profit. So what are you waiting for? The next big success story could be you.
Am I the only one who didn't know you can make $100K fixing shoes? Well, let me fill you in. Imagine launching your own business with just $3,000. That's right. A shoe repair service is not only profitable, but also eco-friendly. Here's how you can get started. First, learn basic repair skills. Tons of free resources online can help. Next, buy essential tools. You can get a basic setup for under $5,000. Start small, offer services from home, or go mobile. Marketing is key. Use social media like Instagram and Facebook to attract clients. Then, scale up by adding mail-in services or partnering with local stores. With the right effort, you can earn up to $100K per year. From finance to entertainment, we break down the strategies and earnings. Visit goldmaker.com to get started today. Subscribe for more tips.